You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Science Biology, classification of animals. If you want to learn more names from biology, stay tuned, I've got more videos. Cephalochordata, or yes, there are two different pronunciations at least, and we'll listen to more. Cephalochordata or cephalochordata. Now the Americans can also pronounce it as cephalochordata with the flap T, that sounds like a D at the end, and cephalochordata. Alright, it's kind of the same as in data, data, different pronunciations. So in short, cephalochordata or cephalochordata. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.